gonna take video of that plane, that plane. I want that plane to move out and go on the runway. 6L2, I think.
Wow, Roman, you're gonna have everything on this. Roman, you'll be like really lucky if it takes on.
I'm streaming it, so it's gonna function everything he's about to do. So there's no way he's gonna get out. And it's live too. So a bunch of people are probably watching an airplane and a gate. See, there's an American.
How much battery do you have?
88.
Oh, you're lucky. I have like 100. Cause I've been on my tablet.
Oh.
Sick. I have like my phone's probably like 89 or something.
Oh, there's a Delta over there. Take a look at the tower. This. What is she doing? I told you I'd be spying on him. He's still standing there. He's pretty good for just 5 minutes. Well, let's see about 2 hours or tops that. Come on, you know you want to. You know you want to push the button with the button. What's that button next to the red button that's
Roman's
next to
putting
the
his
blue
headset
button?
on right now.
Oh, yay! He's talking to the radio tower. It's just right there. Oh, the gate's moving. Gate's moving. The gate's moving.
I've never even seen a gate move.
You know they do move.
That's
Otherwise, see, look, it slides in. You never knew they did that? That's what makes them so cool.
Roman, by the way,
It's sliding in.
Roman, by the way, when you get on the airplane, you have to completely turn off your tablet.
I know. Not completely, just turn it off. It's not like the airplane's gonna crash or anything. It's just helping the airplane get more connection to the pilot. Sky Harbor, WestJet.
By the way, Roman, it's like 66 for SkyWest. But it's like 66 and it's raining in Washington.
Yes, it is. I watched it on the map. Yesterday it was too. So 2 days in a row, Washington has been raining. Bye bye, plane. See you at the runway. It kind of looks like a 787, but like bigger. See, U.S. Airways. There's a lot of bombardier jets.
He's about to take. He's about to.
And I'm watching them every move.
Are you recording him?
Yeah.
Some people do that. They watch planes go around. I watch the Swiss ones, KLM one, US Jet, WestJet. Yeah, I definitely like airplanes. Nick didn't even know the gate moves.
Oh yeah. Well, how else do you think that they can't have it connected to the plane when they back them up?
He thought the sheet just moved. That's to balance the airplane. So they move it down and up. You know, it'd be really scary. You can actually go up there.
Maybe have to fix it or something like that. What he's supposed to do.
Nothing really.
He's moving.
Yay! Bye. Bye, plane. He jumped. Bye. You're actually backing up real fast right now. I didn't know they move up that
He was
fast.
waving too.
Give him a good thumbs up. Goodbye, American. It's going all the way to Hawaii.
Honolulu, Nick's been there. Come on, let's go over here.
Oh, we're getting all this stuff.
Backpack. Hey, get back in there.
Should zip it up so he doesn't fall out.
Oh yeah. I was recording the plane go back. I love planes. Told you it
Whether
wasn't
the guy
mine.
wanted to be watched or not, he was recording.
Ramen. Everything plus.
Airplane. Yeah, who would have an airport without an airplane?